Today is a Wednesday market, October 22nd. You can see that in the morning we had 11:30 a.m. we had a GBP CPI release, and it is on the negative side. So while analyzing GBP USD, you'll be able to see that the prices have gone down, right? Short straight down. We had expected the forecasted expected CPI to increase, but seems like CPI has reduced on the news release. Anyways, as usual, we'll start off with analyzing gold. So we have seen a huge sell-off from the top, but we're still up on the monthly, weekly, and on the daily we have shot down. So price has reacted from our major support zone around 4,000, and it's gone up a bit, and let's see. It, Trading gold today is going to be quite risky because it hasn't made a major break. We can see it's made a change of character, but doesn't mean that it's a confirmation towards the downside. So we'll have to wait for this week to end, or maybe see how today plays out and then understand what the overall bias is. But for now, we can see that price has reacted and respected the 4,000 level. So we can expect price to be ranging between 4,000 and the all-time high 4,300 level. So we can see price play out in this region today. I'm not expecting a break underneath the 4,000 level, but if you do see a break underneath the 4,000 level, I think we can expect a huge sell-off, and that just means that structurally we are on the downtrend, right? For now, you can see clearly that price has made a change of character, right? But we are yet to see the break of structure from this level. So we'll see what happens. But for now, I have an entry placed, but I might go with an extra confirmation. I'm still not convinced for sells, so I won't be looking for sells. But a zone that we can see for sells is coming up around this support region. So this region, I guess we can try for some sells, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see how it reacts from this region. And so from the 4S, you can see the reaction price has made a change of character and also giving us a decent break of structure. So I'm expecting price to come down into this 15-minute fair value gap, sorry, into this 15-minute order block. And once it comes into the 15-minute order block, I'm looking for a change of character in your 1 minute, and then I will be going in for an entry. So this is your analysis for gold. Now coming down into Euro USD. Coming down into Euro USD, we can see we are ranging. We are sort of ranging. But price has made a change of character. So I'm expecting price to keep going up. But from where is the question, right? So this is a zone that I marked out yesterday, but it was a break-even trade for me. It hit my SL, meaning it hit my break-even, and then it went down for a full TP. So yeah, we'll have to see. Price is still ranging in this region. So I would skip Euro USD today because price is already tapped into this 1 hour zone, given us the 1:3 push. You can see it right there, and but it's still in the same region, right? So we'll leave it. Let's move into GBP. So GBP is quite interesting because the zone that we drew out since what, last week it has tapped today, but then surrounding the negative news of GBP, the CPI release, the negative CPI release, we can see that price has tapped into the 4-hour zone, but it's looking very negative. It might even break this zone, and I think if it breaks the zone, we can see price go for weekly lows, take out the weekly lows, and yeah, but for now my bias is still the same. If I can see on the 15 minutes, if I can see a change of character and a break of structure, I'll be entering on the retest, right? Okay. Now coming down into USD CAD. So on the USD CAD, we are on an uptrend. Okay, we are on a major uptrend. So this is one place that I would be going for an entry. This region right here is what I would be going for an entry. This one I wouldn't go for it. First thing, it's a doji, and second thing, we have weekly lows right next to it. So we are on a very clear uptrend. So I guess this will be tapped by tomorrow, maybe even today, given the move yesterday had. But on the 1 hour, again, it's not a clear POI, right? We could consider this as your inducement price, taking it out and then tapping into the 4 hours, and then we going for a long. Coming down into USDJPY. So USDJPY has similarly, just like GBPUSD, it has given us a change of character, but we can see that it has given us a change of character and also a break of structure. So we can say it is clearly structurally we have shifted up for an upside move. Okay, so we have two places that we could target buys from. So we have an 1 hour zone we could target from, and we have a 4 hour zone we could target from with some good inducement. So we'll have to wait and see, but this is the zones that I would play today, right? So on gold, like I told you, I'm still not convinced on the bias changing from buys to sells. So I would be looking out for this 15-minute order block, and then looking for a change of character and a break of structure, and then going on to for the retest on the 1 minute. Euro USD is something I would skip because it has not respected this zone at all, and price is going to be coming down, and entering from the extreme order block is not going to look good. So yeah, so we'll skip Euro USD, especially previous day lows are right here. It's going to grab previous day lows. GBP USD is something that you can look for price to, react off of this zone on your 15 minutes. And for USD CAD, we can see this 4 hour zone to be respected for sure, because we are on the uptrend and we have previous week's lows as inducement, and yeah, it's looking good. This trade is looking good. And on the USD JPY, these two zones look very good for a buy side trade. All right, so these are the 5 pairs I've analyzed today, and we'll see if you guys have a different outlook on today's market on any of these pairs. Do let me know, and yeah, do drop any of the comments. I do read all your comments, and it would really mean a lot if you guys have watched till this point of the video. It would really mean a lot if you guys could, share your outlook, or just drop a comment saying, yeah, I made it this far, man, thank you so much. Yeah, that is all for today, And yeah, catch you in the next one.